Welcome to our video lesson on adding and subtracting. Add that in there, subtracting decimals. The nice thing about adding and subtracting is they are the same. What I need you to do on your guided note is first fill in the steps. So your steps are at the top. You need to fill in that we're going to write the problem vertically and line up the decimals. You need to write that down. Fill in any blank spaces with zeros, and then add or subtract and bring down the decimal. After you've got that copied down, we'll do this first example, which is right here. You need to write this down on your guided note, please. So our first step is to write the problem vertically and line up the decimals. I'll write this problem here, 2 8/100ths plus 42 4/10ths. So I'll start by writing it vertically, 2.08. And we're going to line up the decimals. So I need my second decimal point to be here. If you want to, you can always write the decimal points first and then fill in the number around it. So I have 42 and 4. Excellent. What's next? Fill in any blank spaces with zeros. Okay, do you see any blank spaces in this problem? I do. I see one here, and then I also see one over here. So I'll put 2 zeros there. Then add or subtract, just like normal. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 0 plus 4 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. And then bring down the decimal. What that means is just write it in the same spot. And that's it. That is our answer. I have one example of subtraction that I'd like to go over, and I need you to write down, please. So we have 35 49/100ths minus 9 5/10ths. Our first step is to write the problem vertically. So we have 35 and 49/100ths minus 9 5/10ths. Next step, fill in any blank spaces with zeros. This is a 9. So we're going to write a 0 here because it's a blank space and a 0 here because it's another blank space. Our next step is to subtract. 9 minus 0 is 9. 4 minus 5, we can't do that. We need to borrow. So we borrow 1 from the 5, put a 4, and add 10 to this one here. 14 minus 5 is 9. Then 4 minus 9, we can't do that. Again, we need to borrow. So we borrow 1 from the 3 and make it a 2. And add that 1 right here. 14 minus 9 is 5. And then our last one, 2 minus 0, is 2. And our decimals need to be added right there. And that's our answer, 25 99/100ths. If you need to rewatch the videos, please rewatch the videos. But that's all for now. See you later.